Hi, so this is my video for my gym final thing. So let's do it quick. I tried recording a few times already. It just kept deleting the video halfway. I don't know why. Okay, ER model. Let's go. We have user, and then these serve as a role. So we have admin, trainer, member, and they have their IDs as primary key, which is the same as the user ID. So most of their information is stored here, but then when you log in, they were assigned, like, it's either an admin, trainer, or member as a role. The trainer teaches group class and sets availabilities. The member sets goals and metrics. The goals, there's only two types right now. Like, you can either set a body fat or weight goal, because like it's too much to have like random ones. And then same member ID here, same member ID for metrics. And metrics, they store all of this every time. And it can be stored on the same date. Yeah, and then if you set the metrics the next day, then that's the updated. That will be the new metrics. Yeah, trainer has availability. Group class has rooms. The rooms just have ID and capacity. Yeah, I decided not to add sessions, like personal trainer sessions. It's only group classes because like I'm doing this alone, so I can do less. So it's only group classes. The members cannot join the classes, but the admin can assign trainers. So, but I do have enough functions done for everyone. Okay, so ER relational. Okay, this one was pretty easy. Like just whatever attributes were here, I put them here. And then I connected all the foreign keys to each other. Like this ID is trainer ID, this ID is member ID, user ID here is admin ID here. These are all the same. And then same member ID is the same member ID for goals and metrics. Then availabilities takes the same trainer ID, and group class takes the same trainer ID, so we can see, what trainer is teaching what class, and then that group has a room. Yeah. Okay, now my ORM is in models mostly. So I used SQ, Alchemy, and Python. This is the main one. This is user. So you can see all the attributes have been mapped here. It's all names or whatever is strings. ID is the primary key, and this is the important part. It's a polymorphic identity. So all of member and admin and a trainer will have roles, and based on whatever user they are, that role will change. So here, the role will change. But they're all considered still users. So then we have the members here, and you can see its polymorphic identity is member. So whenever we ask what is your role, it will automatically say member, and then all the other information will just come from here when they sign up. So yeah, here's this. What else do I have to say? Entity definitions explain how they're used to create and populate tables. Yeah, okay, so these are these ones. This is for trainer. It has this one was interesting that they have relationships with availabilities and group class, and then in availabilities and group class I have to add that they have a trainer, so they can both see each other and we know like when we're updating one or the other. So I have that for everything I defined. I have a class defined, and same, it's polymorphic. And then this is my seed data, so this is how the initial data was added. So we define these objects with all these values, and then you add it to the session. The session is basically my connection with my Postgres server, which is here. So this is connected to my server. So then you can add these from the session, commit it, and then that will just add it to the database. That's how it interacts with it. Where is my members or services? Here you can see how we interact with it. So this is how you query. You do session.query. So this will query the user table, and then filter, we're saying filter it down where the email is equal to the email. This is for the registration or login. So we're checking if the email already exists. So it's like some error handling. But this is how you run query. Oh, this is how you run queries. And then insertions, we already said you commit, you add and commit, and then it will automatically do it for you. Okay, let's start the actual thing. So I have it in a virtual environment here. Okay, so first thing is let's go through registration, and now let's do Sasha breaks. If you put something random, there's validation, so it has to be a real email. So I'll just you get it to gmail.com. 1234 is the password. Date of birth, same. If you do nonsense, it won't work. So I'll do my birthday. Same with the gender. I'll say I'm male. Phone number, same. So I'll do random number. Okay, so that was good. Now we can log in. If it's the wrong password, obviously it won't work. It says invalid. I can log in with the right one. Good. Sasha. So first thing is let's add a metric. So we can say I'm 140 pounds, 12%, 75 BPM, 180 centimeters, whatever. So that is my metric added. You can see it in the history. Whatever is added here, it will stay there. Personal details, you can update whatever you want. So we can choose to update the number, 6, blah 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 blah. It's been updated. It doesn't show there. Actually, no, you can see it in the dashboard. That's the new number. Yeah. But yeah, and then here is the current metrics that we have. And no active goals yet, so instead let's go to management and add a goal. So we can do like 140-pound target weight, that's my goal, and then we can add another goal of body fat and say 13% body fat. Now we go to your dashboard and you can see that it's there. These are the metrics. The other thing, oh yeah, if you add more metrics, like 150, whatever it is, then you go to your history and all of it will show up. So that is, but yeah, so that's for the member, and I think that's everything. So we can leave. Now we can log in, and I have one for the trainer. Oh, what is her password actually? I don't know. You can find Sarah. Oh, it's trainer. Her password is trainer. Sarah at gym.com. Trainer. First thing we can do is set availability. So we can do for, let's do the same, my birthday. She'll start at, if you do nonsense, it won't let you, it's invalid, so you have to do 24-hour time. So we can do 4 o'clock and we'll finish at 6 o'clock. So that's her availability. We can't view the schedule because there's nothing there yet. Oh, right. I added this before, but so this is her schedule currently. From June 18th, 4 o'clock, she has jump rope in room 2. So that's her schedule right now. Let me set new availability for her then. Let's do 5, June 19th, same time. 4, 2, 6. And then let's quit for her. Let's log in as an admin this time. gym.com. Okay. So here we can manage the classes. So first thing we can do is we see jump rope is in room 2. So let's move jump rope into room 1. Now it's in room 1. Now if we go back, we can see it's in room 1. Next, let's manage the classes. So we can add a new class. Say boxing class. Still give it to Sarah. And room 2, because room 1 is full. And then we have to do the date. 2025, June 19th. Starting at 4. Ending at. And then the class will be created. Now if we try to make a class, whatever, let's call it whatever, and give it to Sarah again in that room on that same day and time from 1600 to 1800, it will just crash and say it's already booked by boxing, so it knows. If you want to view, this is all the classes so far. Sarah is teaching, and then we can delete boxing. And then review class, boxing is gone. I think, is that everything? I guess so. I'll just clarify quickly for admin. I only did room booking, so you can change the rooms and you can manage the classes. For trainers, you can set availability and view your schedule, and then this one you can register for group class, dashboard, registration. Oh, I guess I did 5 for this one. Could have done less. Anyway, yeah, I ended up doing more for members. What else do I have to do? Because before I run out of time. Overview of how it's organized. Okay, so this is the database connection, which is in the models folder. My app contains like the code for the specific page, so anything in members, like the menu we were at is in members, then here's the one in admin. Here's for trainers. Services is just for logging in and registration, and this is all the error handling. Mostly, and then main, it's the initial page, and then main sends it away depending on the role. So if the role is a member, you go here. Trainer, you go there. Yeah, I think that's it. I can quit and leave the Juicy Booty Center. How different users interact. Yeah, I feel like I did that. Yeah. I think that's it.